Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unlock Facebook account of others. Open Facebook. Click on your profile and open Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. In this window, open the option Blocking. Click on the option Edit located under Block Users. Now click on See Your Blocked List. There, just click on Unblock on the desired user. Validate this by clicking on Confirm. You will see that the user has been unblocked on Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.